we specifically talk about Copilot, I like to think of it as my own personal thought partner. I have somebody in there that I can bounce those ideas off of. I look after a team of solution engineers in a pre-sales capacity, so they go in and help the customers really to understand the technology. We do a lot of proof of concepts, remove any blockers for the customer that really help them to use our technology.
I'm a senior communications manager. As part of our role, we seek to earn coverage for Microsoft across Canada on a variety of subjects: AI, cybersecurity, innovation, telling the stories of our customers and helping to build that trust and drive impact for Microsoft in Canada. When there's a news article that we need to share with leadership quickly, I built an agent within the M365 app to create media summaries for leadership about media articles that they need to see quickly and understand why it matters.
You can imagine when the sales team goes in to have the discussion with the customer, the solution engineer, to make it really real for them, they have to do a demo. And they do a demo that's based on their industry or the customer problem. Those demos take a considerable amount of time to build. So the agents that we're able to use to pull that data together considerably reduce the amount of time that they're building those demos. So what that means is it allows the solution engineers and the specialist to spend more time with the customer, really understanding the business problems. There's a real opportunity for us to challenge our mindset. And so when I think about what's going to change in AI, from an AI salesperson perspective, it's to constantly look at each of the activities you're doing and ask yourself, is there a way that we could be using AI for this? Is there a way that we could be leveraging an agent that we have? Because I need those hours back in my day to go and build different and new proposals and programs for the customer.
You can leverage Copilot to build out your key message bullets out of that article, let's say. A LinkedIn post, you could write an X thread, instantly taking your words, your way of positioning it that you've built over time, that strategic insight you have, but then just building that content into all sorts of different forms.
You still need to consider how to grow that skill. But when you think about the agents, that's really going to be the future.